Hey everyone, Bunny Basics here. Thanks for hopping by. Earlier in the week we went to an animal expo and I thought you guys might like to see some of the footage that I took there. There's a few different things, a lot of footage of dogs, but that's okay because dogs are cute. If you would like to know what any of the breeds or species are in the clips, I'll list them in the description box down below, so check that out if you're interested. Thank you again for watching and I hope you enjoy the video.